Almost.
Ryan!
I almost hit myself.
The tree saved Rosie. Rosie was like,
We are currently on a hike up here in the Ochocos, or the Wildcat Mountains, to Steins' Pillar. So, pretty fun hike so far. It's about 2 miles up, 2 miles down. And got a backpack, my new backpack on, picked up at a thrift store the other day for the quads. And now we're going to see if we can find a spot to put them up in the air. We'll get with you when we get up there. Well, we made it up here to the pillar, and we're just kind of looking around. What a gorgeous view up here. It's pretty cool. So there's a lot of trees around here. I'm going to see if I can find a clear spot to put the vortex up and do a real quick flight. But even if I don't, it's still been a cool trip. Okay, well, I just did my second flight. Thought I did great, and was coming in right where we were at. First one, I came in a little hot and almost hit myself. This second one I dropped it apparently too low, so we're going to hike down the hill. I can hear it down the hill, so we're going to hike down and get it. I see it. It's not too far down. Woo! Thankfully, there's a trail. Oh, we came in a little hot. Hopefully we didn't break nothing. There it is. Looks good, just a folded arm. Alright, let's GoPro off. Alright, battery's unplugged. Doesn't look too bad. Camera might be a little scuffed, but hey. Oh, might have got a scratch on the GoPro. Ooh, hopefully we can buff that out. Rosie. Well, I think that wraps it up. I got the drone, just did 2 quick flights. Nice hike out here. It's a nice fall day. But before we start heading down, I want to show you my new backpack. It's quite a bargain, actually. Check it out. So this is my new backpack. It's a Kelty. I don't really know what if that's a good brand or not, but I found this at a thrift store for $7, so pretty stoked. Had these straps on here, so I just bungeed on the drone. So I got the Vortex and the Wizard on here. Didn't fly the Wizard today because I'm just not familiar with it yet, but it's got a spot I can put my tripod and radio and all that gear and batteries inside, and it's a pretty good hiking pack, so pretty pleased with it. I'll probably be using it in a lot more videos. Well, I got my pack on, and I'm ready to head back down. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure enjoyed the hike out here today with my girlfriend and her kids, and whew, I tell you what, that flying around the pillar made me super nervous. I'm still pretty new to the drone flying and the freestyle, but whew, it made me super nervous. Got through 2 flights though. Nothing too crazy, just showcasing the pillar a little bit. But hope you enjoyed. It's a great day out here, so we're going to get to our hike back down. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next adventure.